Extreme FBS4 DSM Tool, repairing DTC P179D00. The redundancy system for direct select was activated. In this demonstration, we will repair a Continental FBS4 DSM222 module using the convert function. For verification purposes, we will use Mercedes-Benz Xentry before and after the repair. First, let's check the actual values. Number of activations of redundancy system, 219. The redundancy counter has reached 219 activations. The DSM is no longer operating correctly. Now let's read the fault codes. DTC present P179D00. The redundancy system for direct select was activated. The fault is active. Let's repair the module using Extreme FBS4 DSM Tool. We begin by connecting to the DSM222 module. Pressing the info button reads the module information. The software automatically identifies the connected module. We can verify the serial number and module details. The information matches the original DSM module. Next, we create a complete backup. Pressing read will read all important module data. Reading EEPROM, reading FBS4 Data, reading SCN Coding. Backup completed successfully. All original data has been saved. The software automatically creates and saves the EEPROM and FBS4 data files. We read the original SCN coding, which is also written to a file. Now we can begin the repair process, pressing the convert button. Important! Before continuing, verify the original module type. DSM and DSM222 are different module types. The correct type must always be selected. In this case, the original module is DSM222. Therefore, we convert DSM222 to DSM222. The conversion process is now started. The procedure is fully automatic. No manual intervention is required. Simply wait until the software completes all operations. Please do not disconnect the module during the process. The conversion is now complete. The DSM module is now in initialized state. At this point, the module behaves like a new module and must be personalized again. Before personalizing, verify the software versions. Open the info file created during the backup process. Compare boot software version, application software version with the versions currently installed in the module. If differences are found, use the flash function. Program the correct boot and application software versions. If the software versions already match, continue directly with personalization. In this demonstration, the module is ready for personalization. Press Personalize. Select the original FBS4 data file that was read at the beginning. The software now writes the original FBS4 information back into the module. Personalization completed successfully. Next step, restore the original VIN. Press Write VIN. Select or enter the original vehicle VIN. Programming VIN. VIN successfully written. Now restore the original SCN coding. Press Write SCN. Select the original SCN coding file. Programming SCN coding. SCN successfully written. The module configuration has now been fully restored. The DSM is ready for operation. Let's verify the repair using Xentry. Let's check the actual values again. Number of activations of redundancy system, 0. The redundancy counter has been reset. The DSM is operating normally again. Reading fault codes. DTC P179D00 is no longer present. The fault has been successfully eliminated. Original FBS4, Data Restored, Original VIN Restored, Original SCN Restored, DTC Removed, Redundancy Counter, Reset, Extreme FBS4 DSM Tool, Professional FBS4. Solutions developed by Diagcode.